Welcome back, folks. Today we're working on some Fiat, Chrysler, Stellantis, Dodge, Ram products. Can you explain to us what's going on with your vehicle, sir? This is Carmen, by the way. Say hi, Carmen.
Hi, guys. We got an exhaust leak where the two flange, the flange mating surfaces meet from the front of the exhaust to the back of the exhaust.
Yeah, so the Y pipe to basically the cat back. It's stock exhaust, but the bolts broke once. We fixed it. And holy crap! We gotta fix it again. So anyway, we're gonna get this thing up on the lift. We're gonna show you guys why you shouldn't buy a 2020 Ram 1500. And wow, your inspection's almost up there, buddy. Wow.
Here's the gasket you're gonna put in there.
Okay, didn't we like not use a gasket last time or something?
Cleaned it.
Yeah, so this is gonna be better. We're gonna make this right. All right, so this may be the only Ram I've ever seen in my life that doesn't seem to have the classic giant manifold leak. At least we're hoping. But we definitely have a leak here, which we knew because that bolt broke off. So we had actually taped that up to see if we could push the smoke through to the manifold. But we got the redneck smoke tester here. If you've seen these all over YouTube, they exist. Run about 10 PSI through that baby and you're good to go. Takes about 5 minutes for it to get going. So anyway, we're gonna fix that leak. We'll leave this all hooked up. We'll re-smoke it and see where we wind up. This is pretty straightforward, just taking the bolts out of that flange. I don't know why they use these flat flanges on exhaust and not always the kind of coupler style. They seem to hold up a lot better. But anyway, kind of drop the exhaust down, get the angle grinder on there, clean all those surfaces up real nice and shiny. I'll be honest with you, last time we quickly fixed this, we didn't do that, and this is why we're doing it again. We do it right because we do it twice. But anyway, we go ahead, put the gasket in there, get the bolts back in there, get them tightened down. Actually, I think the results are on this time lapse. Long story short, we wound up having to take it all apart again and put some exhaust sealant on, which you can see there because it did leak a little bit still. These flanges get slightly warped, and it's just, you know, it is what it is. So it's all taken care of now. It's nice and sealed up. Okay, so we've had to re-smoke it. We got plenty of smoke coming out. I'm trying to seal this stuff, but you guys know how that goes. Nothing come out of the flange now, which is good. We'll let that harden and cure before we start it. And I don't see anything up here yet, which is good. So we'll see. We will see. So as suspected or concerned, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but we definitely have a little bit of a manifold leak. 98,000 miles on a Ram. Unfortunately, this is obviously very typical on these. I don't know if you can see it anymore, but it was definitely there. I think getting that other flange sealed up, it allowed us to see it. I can't really see the smoke right now, but you'll have to take my word for it. I don't have the best smoke tester. But she will need a manifold at some point. However, it's not leaking that bad. All right, guys, we are fully tightened up. I gotta smudge that off. We do have that manifold leak like we talked about, so we'll do that at some point. But for now, we're good. As good as we're gonna get anyway. Hopefully the smells go away, and maybe we can let that manifold ride for a while because it's really not that bad. So anyways, as always, thanks for watching. God bless America, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.